Ibigay lahat sa'yo, pag-ibig ko'y totoo.
Okay guys, baka akalain nyo sa Manila Zoo ako. Well, nandito ako ngayon sa PAWS, Philippine Animal Welfare Society, dito sa Katipunan. Kasi nga, pinaspate namin yung isa kong dog, si Queen. So, wala. Ito yung kanilang ito yung kanilang kennel here. So, ito yung mga aspin na na liligtas nila, tapos pwede kayong bumisita dito just like there, no? Si ate, foreigner pa yata there, no? So she's playing with the dog there, so you can go visit here. Mahilig kayo sa mga aso, pusa, and you can see it. There's Miss Anna, boss. Ayan, no? Alden, no? Richards, boss, diba? So ito, first time pa actually here, Miss Anna. Usapin natin. Hi, Miss Anna. Excuse me, hi. Yeah, I'm Maverick, remember? Maverick and Ariel. We used to host your... Yeah, remember? Hi, how are you? How are you?
My daughter's such a big fan of
Thank
yours.
you.
In fact, wala, basta you're part of her core childhood memories.
I know. Yeah. We used to host your post, diba, events with Alpo before, remember? Yeah, I'm here right now because I had my dog there, Spade.
Uy, very good. Thank you.
I'm with my wife there right now.
Please promote our Spain.
Yeah, I am. This is my first time actually here, so I'm just trying to vlog.
Okay.
I saw you kanina kaso you're so busy.
Are you aware that it's our first date? Our
I
Valentine's
didn't know.
event?
Oh yeah? Is it?
Yeah.
Can you turn me around? Pwede ba?
Oh, sandali.
Sige.
Let's check.
Okay.
I think we have an... Yes, we actually have before. He's been hosting our fundraising event. Like,
Yeah.
20 years, 10 years
No,
ago.
more than 10 years now. Yeah.
Show him some of the booths.
Yeah. Okay. So, nandito ako ngayon. Tutor lang ang Miss Anna. So, buti na. Thank you, Anna. Baka nastorbo kita. Si Heart, oh. Ayan. Sige. Okay. Wow. So, this is your Valentine's event. So, everyone can come here and relate to the dogs.
They can actually date a shelter animal.
Date a shelter animal.
And right now, there's one
Yeah. Yeah, so we're dual cameras. So this is a media interview. Ganda naman, ang lamig dito. Parang date talaga.
Date talaga siya.
So may mga waiter din dito.
We package this thing. Kasi merong Mario Brothers theme.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
May Harry Potter theme.
Wow. Costume. Yours. Ano ba nang pan roadblocks or something?
Is the
K-pop. K-pop.
K-pop Demon Hunters.
Wow.
And then that's a shelter dog. Kasi ito, nagde-date siya ng shelter cat. Shelter cat.
Shelter cat. Laking pusa na ito. Di ba tigre yan?
Jay was rescued
Okay.
on the streets.
Sure. Lalaki to.
Yeah.
Rescued sa street.
That was his before picture as a tiny kitten.
Okay. So usually how do you, do they just come here, welcome anytime, or they have to do a schedule, ganyan?
This is a special event for Valentine's Week lang.
For what? Oh, wow.
Valentine's Week lang. You just so happen to be on the
Yeah.
day one of our Valentine's
Okay.
event.
So this would be until Valentine's Day.
Which is Saturday.
Bali, popost ko naman to later, so hopefully, mas marami.
And fully booked fully booked siya.
Fully booked
So,
na.
ibig sabihin, may mga hindi sumipot for their
Yeah.
dates today, but they have already booked. In order to book
Nang
a date,
Indian sila. Nang Indian.
in order to book a date, it's either that or they're out walking with their dogs. Kasi
Yeah,
sometimes
I saw that like there are foreigners also dating dogs there.
If they're dating, after they get tired like eating with their date, they go out and walk their date.
Oh, okay.
If it's a dog, but if it's a cat, talagang dito lang. Like si Jay will be dito lang.
Oh, alam mo ng mga
Jay
cat
cannot be
eh.
walked, yeah.
Alam mo ng mga cat, hindi mo mapapasunod yung mga
Yes.
may sariling mundo. Okay. So, is there like any website tayo or social media accounts where they can follow you? Updated sila? Ano ba?
Yes, PAWS Philippines on IG and on Facebook. And then our website is www.paws.org.ph.
Yeah.
They can book the date sana, but then it's fully book na.
Yeah, but even after, they can visit and, you know,
Oo. Ang problem,
make donations also.
so pos.org.ph and then POS Philippines on IG and Facebook, Meta. And ang problem lang, every time we promote our shelter animals,
Okay.
pag regular shelter visit lang, parang it's not that appealing to
Not appealing.
all. But if it's packaged,
Yeah, like this, oh, di ba? Like that, oh, di ba? Kumbaga talagang may event, di ba?
yeah, they will
And hopefully, I'll leave you my number. Probably next time you'll have an event, I'll promote it and probably invite some celebrities also. And pwede rin kung gusto mo, mag-endorse ako ng
Dapat
POS.
nga nag-date eh.
Yeah.
Makapag-date ka ng shelter animal, kaya lang yun nga, fully booked. I don't know if the dating
Yeah.
people here are just out walking. But yeah, do come.
Yeah.
So,
Pwede rin ba ako, just in case, pwede ba rin ako maging ambassador niyo? May, katulad ni Alden. Actually, magkamukha kami ni Alden eh. 5 years
konti
ago.
lang ang difference.
Oo nga eh. Oo, lamang lang siya ng mga 2 tabusan.
yeah, okay.
So again, Anna, thank you for your time and I'll post this right away and try to promote POS, syempre, di ba? Thank you,
Maraming
Anna.
salamat.
Only.
Thank you.
Okay, still here with POS dito sa Quezon City. And I was just talking to Anna. Had a good talk with her. Long time, you know, we've been supporting POS ever since they started. We hosted most of their events with Nestle during that time, Alpo, you know, things like that. Kaya naman Alpo, baka naman, you know, donate kayo ng mga dog food, kailangan ko had 20 dogs. Hi guys! So all of you are like volunteers ba?
Ako po yung volunteer coordinator.
Volunteer coordinator. So ano ba, estudyante ba kayo? What?
Working.
Working na.
Sila, they're students.
Student pa rin. From what school, if I may ask?
From PU.
PUP and FEU. So mostly international na. Halo-halo ng eskwelahan sa buong Maynila. Tama ba? Ayan. May plano ba kayo maging vet? Ikaw? Ganyan? Hindi naman. Hindi. So talaga mahilig lang kayo tumulong. Sige. So I used to, kung di nyo ako kilala, artista ako. Wala ba sa itsura? Actually si Alden, kamukha ko yung 2 years ago.
Wow!
Nag-mutate lang ako ng konti. Kaya after 2 years, kamukha niya na.
I think blonde version lang niya.
Yeah. My name is Maverick. If you're familiar with our comedy duo before, Maverick and Ariel.
I mean,
Yeah, we were the first reality celebrity during early 2000. So pag volunteer ba, libre candy sa inyo, siyempre. Yeah? Ang libre lang sa inyo, candy. Kailan?
oo. Yun lang.
Candy. Ano ba ang tulong pwede nilang gawin yung mga kapanood nito?
If they want po, they can apply to become a volunteer. Katulad nila Chloe and Fiesta. Like,
Yeah.
lahat.
Mahirap ba mag-apply or?
Hindi naman po.
So,
So,
ano?
we open our sign-ups 4 times a year. And when you sign up, you fill out the form lang. And then you have to attend our orientation. So that's the biggest requirement, attend our orientation. And once you do, you can come in and out to volunteer, to help.
This
walk
would be
or
any
something.
time ba once you are accepted or may duration ng time?
You can
Like
come
wala
in
for 6 months or 1 year? Paano?
anytime. So we
Anytime.
do require na you're active for 8 hours per month for 6 months. Although, you're a volunteer for life. So you can come in any day, basta Monday to Saturday.
Is
Except
there like a
for-
social media where they can apply also? Mas mabilis.
Yes po. So you
Online.
can see our announcements on our sign-ups in POS Philippines.
POS
both in
Philippines.
Instagram and
Facebook.
Facebook.
Okay, thank you. What's your name again?
I'm Andy po.
Andy. Ang ganda ng hair mo. May sapaw ka. Okay, so that's Andy. And then ito, mayroong mga pet dito na you can take care of. Anna is also having another interview with another, I think, social media vlogger daw. And pakita ko lang si Queen. Ito yung pina-spade namin na dog namin, si Queen. Hi Queen, kawawa naman. Groggy pa. Ayun, may sugat siya dun, oh. So, si Queen. Itong kapatid ni Megan, pangalan si Queen. Okay, so I hope guys you enjoy this video, you like it and you share it. So then again, if you have, you know, and if you like dogs or you like to help, well, you can go to PAWS, okay? PAWS, P-A-W-S, the Philippine Animal Welfare Society. You're all welcome to give your donations. They have their Facebook pages and Instagram pages. So then again, this has been your host, Maverick Only, for PAWS, and I'm out here. Only. What the? Si Ana, ganda pa din. Only